Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.